Hello and welcome back to Nexodus Tutorials. You should now be more familiar with some of the improvements our team worked on over the last few months. Let's have a look at how customer records have changed in version 3. You still access your customer records by clicking on Operations and then Members and Contacts. Clicking on a customer opens a new panel that lets you manage all the information you have on them. We've moved some of the tabs around, but all the details you have on record are still available in version 3. The Dashboard tab is very similar to the previous panel with additional timelines at the bottom of the page. The Recent Events section tracks things such as invoices, payments and bookings, while the Plan Changes section helps you track the customer's recent plan history. The Account tab lets you manage most of the customer's general information such as billing details, the different integrations linked to them or even their access card number and PIN code. You can find all their teams in this tab as well. You can add custom sections to this tab based on the custom fields you create. The Payments tab groups all the information related to how customers pay their invoices. This includes sections for credit card details and direct debit mandates, depending on the payment methods you've enabled in your account. If you manage multiple locations, the Payment Method section lets you see the default payment method customers have on record in each relevant location. The Contracts section is now available under the Sales tab, which still lets you manage all the items sold to the customer, along with its own revenue forecast. The Benefits tab lets you track all the benefits in the customer's account as well as add new ones on the spot. We've expanded the CRM tab to include all the customer relationship management details you can create and track in Nexodus. This includes things such as tasks, proposals, but also files like signed contracts and agreements shared with customers. Lastly, the Invoices and Ledger tabs are nearly identical to the previous version of the panel with the ledger that you can now filter in just a click, using the Views menu. We hope this series helped you familiarize yourself with version 3 of the admin panel. For more details and information, you can visit our knowledge base at help.nexodus.com or reach out to support through support@nexodus.com.